Can you just zoom in a bit?
Yeah, I'll zoom it, but you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, finally. Actually, it was loading from long time. I don't know what happened. Okay, so yeah. Hmm. So I think it's clear. Yeah. Okay. So first is basically what is pollution. Okay. So ma'am, what is pollution? The chapter is pollution of air and water. So we will be studying about what is pollution and how air pollution is caused and what are the reasons for air pollution, how you can control it. Everything will be discussed. Okay. So first we'll study about air pollution, and after doing all this thing, then we'll be doing about water pollution, air pollution. Then we will study how does air get polluted. Then we'll do a case study of Taj Mahal. Okay, and then we'll do greenhouse effect. Then we will do like what can we do to reduce air pollution. Then we are done with the air pollution. Then we'll do water pollution. So how does water get polluted, this, and what is potable water and how is water purified. So you are polluting the water, so you need to purify it. So how you are going to do that, and last, what can be done in order to stop this water pollution or in order to reduce the water pollution. Okay, so first is ma'am, what is pollution? Okay, so pollution is a contamination of environment. Contamination means it's become dirtier, right? So contamination means it become dirtier. It is becoming dirtier. So pollution is the contamination of the environment, air, water, or soil with harmful substance. It is also the harmful increase in the level of noise in the environment. Okay, clear? So basically, what is happening? If I'll ask you, what is pollution? So you will say, ma'am, pollution is the contamination of the environment. Okay. If I'll ask you what is air pollution, then you will say, ma'am, contamination of air, right? But if I'll ask you simple pollution, then you're going to say pollution is the contamination of the environment. It can be air, it can be water, or it can be soil. How how the environment is being contaminated with harmful substance. Clear? And now,
Yes.
pollution may be caused due to natural phenomena, but most of the pollution is caused due to human activity. So, how pollution is being caused? Pollution can cause due to natural phenomena, but right now you will be wondering, ma'am, how natural phenomena. So, for example, this is a river, okay, and the mud and all that they got mixed upon, okay. So, what will happen? Of course, you cannot drink that water. So, it's natural, basically, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. So
but
there's no
sometimes.
human activity.
Yes, but most of the pollution is caused due to human activities. Clear? Then,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, what is pollution? You are clear that, ma'am, pollution is the contamination of environment. It can be
Yes,
air,
ma'am.
water, or soil, and how with harmful substance. Next will be from here that pollution may be caused due to natural phenomena, but most of the pollution is caused due to human activities. Okay. Now, ma'am, what is a pollutant? So, any substance which cause pollution is known as pollutant. For example, if air is being polluted, who is polluting the environment of air? Those substances are known as pollutant. Okay, substance who are
Ma'am, but
causing
how is air the pollutant? Isn't the object which is polluting the air the
that object is known as pollutant.
pollutant? Yes, ma'am. So you said air is the pollutant. How is
No,
air is the
no, no, no.
pollutant?
I said if there is air pollution, okay. So how air
Yes.
is being polluted? Air is being polluted by that pollutant and by a substance, right? It can be CO2, it can be methane, any harmful
Yes.
gas. Okay, and that substance is known as pollutant. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And next is what is the source of pollution? From where pollution is coming, right? So the place where a pollutant enter in the ecosystem is known as source of pollution. Okay. For example, see, if water is getting polluted, it can be like you are washing your clothes. Okay. So when you are washing your clothes, that is a source, right? But for example, you are
Okay.
throwing garbage in the water, that is also a source. So from where the pollutant are coming, okay, from where pollutant enter into the ecosystem, it can be like air, it can be water, it can be soil, right? So from wherever it will be coming or it will be entering into the ecosystem, that is known as source of pollution. If I say how water got contaminated, so you'll be saying, ma'am, people used to wash clothes and dishes over here, that's why water got polluted. So if the
And people
pollution,
used to bath away.
Yes. So if you will say, ma'am, the pollutant came from when people started washing their clothes, okay, or people started bathing there, right? So that is the source, okay, clear? And okay, so this is basically. So first you will write the chapter pollution of air and water, and then you will write hashtag pollution. So in pollution you will write only 2 lines. Okay, in pollution you will write here, pollution is the contamination of the environment of air. This and this till here, and after that from here you will write pollution. This is the second 2 points.
Ma'am, so tomorrow we'll have the test for science or maths.
Tomorrow I won't be taking any test.
So ma'am, day after tomorrow?
I'll tell you. Maybe I'll take your test on Sunday.
Sunday? Okay then, perfectly fine.
Okay. Or if not on Sunday, then maybe Monday. Okay, Saturday I'll be giving you off because as I told you, I told you that I'll be giving off on Saturday. No?
No ma'am, you know.
Okay. Actually, I have my exam on Sunday, so I need break to study, right?
Oh,
So I'll be taking off on Saturday, and Sunday, hopefully I'll be taking class because I have my exam till 2, and our class starts at 3:30. So I will be taking, but in case if there is any delay, I'll let you know. I'll postpone your class on that day or something. Okay.
yes ma'am, okay, fine, definitely fine. Or 18. Pollution of air and water pollution, right?
Chapter name: pollution of air and water.
Uh, yes ma'am, okay, understood.
Okay. Then you will
Um,
write hashtag pollution. Till here the first point, and second point will be from here. Pollution may be caused. Okay.
ma'am, so I technically have to write the entire paragraph, right?
No, 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 no. That's why pollution till here the first point substance, and
Yes
from
ma'am.
here pollution the second point.
Oh, okay, understood. Yes, I'm written it down.
Okay. Then you will write what is a pollutant and this, and what is the source of pollution this. Okay.
Okay.
Done?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Now we will do about air pollution. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you repeat your voice?
Yeah.
Nothing,
What
ma'am.
is
Now
the
you're audible.
I'm audible? Okay. Air pollution. So what is air pollution, ma'am? So it is the contamination of air, right? Contamination of air. There we were writing environment. Why? Because that was pollution. So pollution can be any. It can be air
Yes,
pollution. It can
different
be
types of
water.
pollution.
Yes. So it is the contamination of air. How? By impurities which are harmful for the environment. Okay. So these are the pollutants. Okay. The CO2, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, carbon monoxide, CO, SPM, suspended particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, dioxide, NO2, NO, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, methane, sulfuric dioxide. These are basically the common pollutants and their sources. Now, ma'am, source you know from where they are coming. Okay, so your SO2, NO2, and SPM. SO2, NO2, and your SPM. They are coming from coal power plant. When we burn coal, smoke is being released. So from if you will burn coal power plant, then these pollutant will come and they will contaminate the air. Okay, and that will cause air pollution. Clear? Automobiles, like the vehicles and all that, so from them, CO2 and N2O. So basically SPM and smoke. CO2, N2O, all these are coming from your vehicles. Okay. Next, petroleum refineries. So from petroleum refineries, SO2, CO, and NO2, they are coming. Okay. And from agriculture activities, like when you burn the thrash and all that, when you burn wood and all that. So from there, CH4, CO2, and NTO, all that are coming. Okay. Forest fire, when there is a forest fire, right? So there also smoke, dust, CO2, SO2, all these are the pollutants. And volcanic eruption, smoke, dust. You know volcanic eruption? Jwalamukhi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So from there, these comes. And gas stove and chulas, like gas stove, smoke, CO2, CO and NO, right? And air conditioner, refrigerator, aerosol and all that, CFS. Clear? So
Ma'am, I have a question.
yes,
Are these all the pollutants or the source of pollution?
this is source of pollution and these are the pollutant.
And okay, I understood.
Okay, if I say how air is getting polluted, you will say, ma'am, the smoke
So
coming
the
from
yeah, I
automobile.
understood now because
Okay.
like the forest fires are causing these harmful gases.
Hmm.
They are exerting harmful gases, and that's why they are understood.
Yes. Okay. So this is what. So here, what you need to understand, this one is important. CFES. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons. Basically, air conditioner, like the ACs and all that we have in our homes. Okay, plus the refrigerator and aerosol spray. Aerosol spray is basically where we spray the perfumes and all that somewhere, or some other like thinner and all that. Right? They also call somewhere the pollution. So CFS, you have to remember this one. This one is important. Okay. So what? How you will make your notes? You will make your notes air pollution. So ma'am, what is air pollution? It is the combination of air impurity. It's still here you are going to write, and then some common pollutant of air pollution. Okay. So you will write the pollutants, all the pollutants with the name and the full form. Okay. And then you will write the source. So in source, you are not going to mention this. Just write the name. Just write the name of the source. That's it. Okay.
Okay, I'll just write the examples.
Yeah. Just is petroleum refineries, this and this. Okay. But when you will write this one, last one, just mention the pollutant as well, because this comes an exam that air conditioner or the refrigerator, what they release. So they release.
Chlorofluorocarbons.
So actually, I don't know what happened. My lost networks.
Yes, ma'am. I actually thought of writing since the thing was visible, but then you left the meeting, so I could not write.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. Okay. What we were doing, yes. This.
Yes, ma'am. I can see it already. Calm written down.
Okay. Now we will be doing the impacts. Okay. So first is These are the different type of impacts. First, reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, right? So air pollution cause the following effect on living beings and non-living beings. Okay. So first, they reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. So when you will inhale CO, that it will do basically, it will reduce the oxygen capacity, right? Second, these are basically the cause of air pollutant. Okay, so CO is a air pollutant. What CO do? Basically, it reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Then smoke. What smoke do? Basically, it combines with fog to form smoke, causing difficulty in breathing. Right? And next is it reduce visibility. You know, when there is a fog, right? So basically, fog is basically natural, right? But smog is basically, it is caused when there are air polluted. Okay, clear? Then CO2, it causes global warming, right? It increases the temperature of the earth, right? Next is CH4, which is methane. It causes global warming, plus it becomes poisonous on combining with other gases. So if it will combine with CO2 or smoke or CO, it will become more dangerous or poisonous. Then CFS is damage the ozone layer, which protect us from ultraviolet rays. Okay, so for example, this is your Earth. We have a ozone layer, right? This is the ozone layer, and this is the
Yes,
sun.
ma'am. So it.
Yeah, so basically, this CFS it damages that ozone layer, and because of that, like that ozone layer, what ozone layer do? Basically, it protects us from UV rays. But if this CFS it will damage it, then of course directly the sun rays will come and they will cause loss of problem to us, right? Next is SO2. It causes lung diseases, cause acid rain, which occurs when gas mixed with water vapor. Okay, when harmful gases mix with water, it causes acid rain. Then NO2, NTO, and N2O and NO, they cause lung diseases plus cause acid rain, and N2O cause global warming. Among these, only N2O cause global warming. And SPM, they consist of microscopic molecules which cause lung diseases. And next, they reduce visibility, like you cannot see things properly. Okay, so you will write it down. The heading will be what they have given. Okay, so heading will be okay.
Ma'am, I'll just make a table like this.
Yeah, if you want to make a table, it's okay. Whether you can do it like this. First, CO2. Sorry, CO or whatever it is. Just write the impact. Then second, smoke. Then this. Okay. And the skin, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth.
Yes, ma'am. Written down. Written it down.
Okay, sir. Then we are going to do the greenhouse effect, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, first is, ma'am, what is greenhouse gas? Okay, greenhouse effect. So, basically, greenhouse gas is because of greenhouse gases. Sorry, greenhouse effect is due to greenhouse gases. Okay, which is known as GSGS, GHGS. So, what are the greenhouse gases? See, water vapor, which is H2O, carbon dioxide, which is CO2, methane, and nitrous oxides are the greenhouse gases. Okay, so these are the gases which cause greenhouse effect. So, ma'am, first thing is that, ma'am, what are the greenhouse gases? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 gases known as greenhouse gases, namely water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Okay. These gases are responsible for trapping 75% of Earth radiation, thus keeping the Earth warm. So, Earth and this is Sun. Okay. So, radiations are coming, right? So, radiation will come. So, what they do as a greenhouse gases, they trap 75% of the gas. And because of this, rest, like out of 100, 75 they trap and makes the Earth warmer. Right? Clear? Clear? Got it?
Yes.
And this is known as greenhouse effect. So whenever temperature rises, it causes lots of problem, like it melts the mountains and all that, the snow of mountain and everything. So it will cause to flooding and all that, right? So however, the amount of GHS in the atmosphere has been rising due to increase in pollution, which leads to enhanced greenhouse effect. So whenever the temperature rises due to greenhouse gases, it is known as greenhouse effect. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So first of all, you will write greenhouse effect. Okay. Hashtag greenhouse effect. And then greenhouse gases, you will underline the gases. Okay. When you will write, you will underline water vapor. From here, you are going to write greenhouse gases, namely water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides are found in the atmosphere. These gases are responsible for trapping 75% of the sun's radiation, thus keeping the earth warm. This is known as greenhouse effect. Okay. And then you will
Yes,
leave
ma'am.
one line. You will leave one line and then you will write, however, the amount of GHS, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has been rising due to increase in pollution, which leads to enhanced greenhouse effect. Because of this, our greenhouse effect also increases. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So technically, I have to write the entire thing only, no? Ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm done writing.
Okay, so that's it for today. I won't pressurize you more. Okay. So whatever we did today, just give it a quick reading and let me know what are your thoughts. You are getting.
Um, mm,
Swar, can
ma'am,
you hear
are
me?
you? Hello?
Yes, Swar, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, now I can hear you.
Okay. So that's it for today. Just give it a reading, whatever we did today, and then we will end the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.